The cloud has been instrumental in Concern from a collaborative and communications perspective. With our adoption of Office 365, we adopted many years ago when the product was released. We use it extensively across our global field of operations. In the past, we might have a scenario where each country where we work would have an email server. Some of these countries are very fragile. Having stable power, having an infrastructure that could support technology was very difficult. So by being able to remove that point of failure from our environment and moving our email platform to the cloud meant that we had an extremely robust and reliable platform. Now email is, it just works. Connectivity is still quite an issue in some of the countries where we work, but again, the net benefit to having our email on the cloud meant that we were reducing points of failure. Now a point of failure is simply connectivity. So that was quite a surprise. But the other aspect of the approach to the cloud was how rapidly it took place. We were able to migrate so many countries in a very short space, and it was just a really successful thing for the organization. We have what we call our digital data gathering platform, where we all the analysis, all the surveys, all the monitoring and evaluation of our programs takes place digitally now, where we have hundreds of staff who travel our various programs, interviewing our beneficiaries, monitoring and evaluating how the programs are working, and pretty much all that data goes back to a central repository on the cloud to allow us to analyze that information. So we find that our organization is becoming a much more data-focused organization as opposed to a transactional organization, if that makes sense.